From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Maggie LeBeau. The Missouri Department of Transportation says it is on track and budget to complete the Improve I-70 project by its December 2030 deadline. The project will add a third lane eastbound and westbound for approximately 200 miles of I-70 from Blue Springs to Wentzville. Improve I-70 Program Director Eric Kopinski says even though the only 7 miles of new road has currently been laid, people will begin to see faster progress once all contractors are secured.
This is some of the most significant work we've ever done in the history of Missouri and the history of MoDOT, so it's going to take a little time and a little patience with us as we make these improvements.
As of now, there are still about 193 miles along I-70 that are awaiting a third lane. Construction on the completed 7-mile stretch began in July 2024 and is located between Columbia and Kingdom City, one of 8 of the project's segments. And in other news, individuals with United Healthcare insurance are at risk of losing coverage at SSM health providers. KOMU8 reports SSM's most prominent Missouri location is SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital in Jefferson City. It also has rural locations. SSM Health is a nonprofit organization and criticized United Healthcare's for-profit model. They are attempting to come to an agreement with United Healthcare by December 31st. SSM Health encouraged patients to contact United Healthcare with any questions or concerns. And an Afghan man who fled the Taliban has been released from a Missouri immigration detention facility following a federal judge's ruling. The Missouri Independent reports Mohammed Ali Dadfar had been held in the Greene County Jail in Springfield since early October. He was detained and turned over to U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE. On Monday, a U.S. District Court in Missouri agreed that Dadfar, an asylum seeker, was arrested without a warrant and that his permission to be in the U.S. was unlawfully terminated without a hearing or written notice. The ruling said Dadfar had timely filled his asylum application with the Colorado Immigration Court. He also had a valid work permit. The next hearing on the asylum application is February 2026. And in the first 10 months of 2025, almost 1,100,000 acres across Missouri were burned in more than 2,700 wildfires. The Beacon reports that more than 9,300 of those acres were burned by wildfires caused by power lines. The Missouri Public Service Commission regulates the state's utility companies. In May 2025, they asked utilities to detail their wildfire migration plans. The Commission hopes to develop best practices for utilities and to reduce the risk of wildfires and protect communities they serve. The request reflects Missouri's changing environment, with drought and other factors driving an increase in the wildfire risk statewide. I'm Maggie LeBeau, KBIA News, Columbia.